Most traders have a fear problem. But why? What do you think is causing your losses? It is the way that thing works. To be profitable in the long run, you need to set up the system in a way that will increase the probabilities for you. Improve your results and your chances to make a profit with automated trading. If you would choose a risk setting that is too high, you might ruin your account, so it is a good idea to always start with a small risk. You can always increase it later. One of the big problems is that we have learned to use a mental shortcut to make decisions. In some backtests, you might notice that a few months of the year are traded in 1 or 2 seconds when you disable the visual mode. If you think you can predict the future because you have made a few dozen successful trades, prepare yourself for a surprise. I think one of the most difficult things in trading is deciding what to do and what not to do. Profits feel better than losses, and that might cause greed and fear. Then it gets emotionally dangerous.